hands if you've ever poked yourself with an eyeliner. I have, and not just once but several times. Now, not to seem too braggy, but I do know a thing about how to do my makeup. But when it comes to liquid eyeliners, well, they've failed me or I've failed them. Either ways, hi, I'm Niyati. Today I'm going to address 3 common eyeliner mistakes. Mistake number 1, using the wrong tool. One thing needs to be set right before doing any kind of liner trials is choosing the right kind of eyeliner. Surely the beauty market leaves you spoiled for choices, and I completely understand if you're confused, which is why I've narrowed down to 2 options which have the right grip and the tip that is going to help you achieve any kind of eye look. First off is this felt tip eyeliner. So if you're a newbie, let me tell you, felt tip eyeliners are far more easier to work with as compared to brush eyeliners. As you can see that the nib is super sharp, which is going to make application a cakewalk. What makes it so easy to work with is the fact that the felt tip actually controls the flow of the product, which means you're always going to get an even application. For more dramatic looks, opt for a block tip eyeliner. As you can see, the shape of the eyeliner is in a block, which means it's going to work like a stamp. So just press it at the edges of your eye and you can have your cat eyeliner look. Mistake number 2, tugging or pulling at the corner of the eyelids. I've seen so many people pulling and tugging at the end of the eyelids while applying the eyeliner, just like this. I'd say stop doing this right now. All this pulling and tugging across the delicate eye area is actually causing premature aging and skin sagging. Sadly, it's true. So instead of all that pulling and pushing, I'd suggest that you position your mirror a little at your chest level or lower than that, look down and then apply the eyeliner. This repositioning of the mirror is going to make your application so much more easier. Mistake number 3, trying to achieve it in a single stroke. Now that you've got the tools and the mirror positioning right, it's time to avoid that one common eyeliner mistake that everyone makes. Have you ever tried to apply your eyeliner in a single stroke? Well, don't do that, and here's how to do it right. Start off by making a lot of little lines. It's almost like sketching it out. Then connect them. Once you've sketched out the frame, it's time to perfect it by giving it those finishing touches. Now before we wrap up this video, let me just tell you, all this fun of makeup can be completely wiped off, so feel free to experiment with new ideas. For more such videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Be Beautiful right here. Until next time, bye!